Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming here and a big thumbs up for all you guys. So today we are back with our series Google Cloud Fundamentals, and today's topic is getting started with Compute Engine. We will learn how to deploy virtual machines. Here are the three things we are going to learn. First thing is creating a Compute Engine virtual machine using GCP console. Second thing is creating Compute Engine virtual machine using gcloud command line interface. And third thing, we are going to check whether both are communicating with each other or not. Basically, we'll try to ping or SSH one of the machine which we have created in GCP. Before starting, let's talk about today's goal. So today's goal is 10,000 likes. So please like the video and subscribe to this channel. Do share as much as possible and keep checking our GCP playlist. So we'll be uploading the new videos in the same series. Once the fundamental series is over, we will move for the advanced videos. And here you will get so many labs that you can try it yourself at your place. And if you need any help related to the labs, related to the commands or any text on lab, you can write back to us. We will certainly help you on this. So let's get started. Here we are on our lab. Let's start our lab. I'm not robot. Traffic lights. Oh yeah, that's correct. So our lab is launching now. Here we are. Let's open Google console. We're going to click here. So it will open automatically. We need to copy the username from here, paste it, next, and copy the password, paste it, next, accept. This is the dummy account, so no need to worry about it. Confirm, and there you go. So here's our GCP console, and let's see what is our step number 2. Task 1 is signing, and task 2, step 2 is creating a virtual machine through GCP console. So let's go. Navigation menu, Compute Engine, VM instances. Need to give the VM name as my VM1. So let's go create. VM name. Okay, I'll choose zone US Central B because we are going to create both of our VMs here. And we are not changing anything because this is the test system. So let's go to allow default access and allow HTTPS and HTTP traffic as well. Click on create. Okay, we are now creating our first VM. So when you click on this bell icon, you will see the status, what is happening here. And extremely sorry for the background noise. There you go, our VM is created now, and let's check whether we are able to access it or not. SSH. Okay, we are able to access it. Let's go. I'm just closing it. And now it's time to create a virtual machine with gcloud command line. So for this we will launch gcloud command line from here, this icon, and it is launched. Continue. There you go. When you're launching the Cloud Shell terminal for the first time, you will see your project is selected if you have only one project. But if you have multiple projects, you will see it is not connected to any project, or any project is not selected. So this is the basic command with which you will be able to switch to your projects or switch between your projects with a simple Cloud Shell. Now let's go back to our instructions, and it is saying look for the zones list. So let's look for the US Central one and copy and paste it here. gcloud compute zones list pipe grep US Central one. So we're just authorizing it, and there you go. So you have one region which is your central one, and you have 4 zones. We have launched our first system in B, right? US Central 1B. So what we'll be doing is we will launching our second system in the same zone. Let's select US Central 1B. There you go. So by default, if we are launching any VM from our Cloud Shell, it will be launched in US Central 1B. Let's go back to the lab again and copy the commands. So this is a good way if you have a large command, a big command, and you are not able to read it, you can just make 5 parts of it with this slash. So these are the 5 lines, but this is the single command and it is divided in 5 parts. What I'll do is I'll just undivide it. I'll just make it a single command, and so it will be quite easier for us to read. Okay, so our command is gcloud compute instances create. It will create an instance in compute under our gcloud. This will be the instance name, this will be the machine type, this will be the image repository, and this will be our image, and the subnet which will be default. Okay, let's go, paste it. There you go, your system is now created. So let's refresh it. You'll be able to see the VM is deployed now. Let's try to ping both the IP addresses. we are able to reach this system. Second one, we are able to reach these systems as well, and try to SSH to the second system. For now, if you type a command hostname, it will certainly show you the hostname which you have given to an instance, and you know, right, you will be able to change it anytime. By default, it takes the hostname which you have given to your instance. So we'll try to ping my VM1 from my VM2. We're able to ping it. So if you'll take a look, you will see this. This is a hostname, a actual DNS hostname of our VM, which is created in GCP's DNS. Okay, the default DNS which is handling all the internal requests under our default subnet. And let's try to SSH. My VM1, yes. Okay, where we are, so we are inside our my VM1 now. We are able to successfully SSH from VM2 to VM1. Now see, we have reached here. We can exit the cloud shell, but we don't need to do it now, right? The next part, install Nginx web server. Let's go to our SSH session. We are on VM1 and we are executing this command. Okay, executed. We'll create the HTML. And we'll write a message here. We will write some interesting message. Okay, okay, it is saved. And if we need to check out this again, just call your cat and your cat will read it for you. We have a code running. Yeah, let's go back to the instructions and let's try to curl it. Okay, there you go. We have already verified with cat and we are verifying it with curl now. Let's try to curl it with the host name for this I will first exit the SSH of VM1. We are back on VM2 now. Let's confirm it. Okay, we are back on VM2 and we will call the VM1. Okay, we are able to reach it. So we have successfully established the connection between both. Now let's try to check how it looks like when we are checking it on the browser. So what we'll do is we'll just go to my VM1. We'll try opening the web page here in browser. Okay, it is HTTPS, that's why you're not able to access it. Let's make it HTTP. There you go. Subscribe to Technology Wanderers on YouTube. Congratulations, you have now completed your lab. You can try the same instructions on your labs and let us know whether you are able to do it or not. If you need any help, please comment down below and we will certainly help you with it. So that is it for today. Make sure you are reaching our target of 10,000 likes. Share this video with your friends and colleagues and please ask them for the subscription. It is free. And before signing off, make sure you are hitting like and subscribe. Bye bye.